guys, this is Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a pink makeup look. As always, I have my face ready. So let's get started. I don't have a look planned for this video either. I'm just gonna go along with the flow and see where it takes me. So let's go. I'm gonna take my Venus 3 palette and I'm gonna go in with the shade Dreamy. I'm gonna take my Glam 21 My BFF Spotlight eyeshadow and I'm gonna go in with this pink one. Next up, I'm gonna take a tiny brush. Next up, I'm taking a tiny brush and I'm going in with my second Glam 21 My BFF Spotlight palette and using this nice electric pink. I've actually never used this color before. I'm so excited to use it. Next up, I will be using, this is what it looks like so far. Using this palette again, and I'm going in with the white shade. So this is what it looks like so far. Let's see what to do with the space that we still have. I'm gonna use my Miss Rose Professional Makeup shade 05. This is what it looks like. I'm going to take it onto a flat brush. Next up, I'm going to take my loose glitter from Color Essence Summer Highlighter. I'm going to take some from the cap. This is what it looks like. So pretty. This is what it looks like so far. Next up, I'm just gonna do some finishing touches to the crease palette in the electric pink. and just sort of darken the crease that I had made. Next up, I'm gonna take the same tiny brush and I'm gonna go in with this shade Rapture on my Venus 3 palette. This is what it looks like. Next up, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder that I have on my face right now because that's probably done baking. I'm gonna brush it off and I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. This is what it looks like so far. I've done my eyeliner. Next up, I'm gonna take the same tiny brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Dreamy, which I went with in the beginning. And do it under my eyes. This is what it looks like. Next up, I'm gonna take my white kajal pencil by Kiss Beauty Cosmetics and I'm gonna line my waterline with it to make my eyes look bigger. This is what it looks like right now. Next up, I'm going to be putting on my mascara off camera and I'll be right back. So this is the look with mascara on. And I'm going to be doing some face makeup touch-up too right now. I want to put some blush because I love blush and I cannot get enough of it. So let's put some blush on. How much blush is too much blush with a pink makeup look? This looks so cute. Okay, next up I'm going to line my lips using the Miss Claire Glimmer Sticks for lips in the shade Sandy Pink L24. a fan of overlining my lips, so I will not be doing that. Okay, this is what the lips look like. I'm gonna go in with my Color Bar lip gloss in the shade 004 Ray Starlit Lip Gloss. It's one of my favorites. Look at it. So pretty. Time for some highlighter. I'm actually kind of loving how this look is turning out. My good trustworthy highlighter. Let's go in with it. I love blending it with my hands. Okay, I'll just do the last finishing touches for this outfit and I'll be right back. Is the fit, white tank top and an open shirt. This is the look. And that is all for today. I'm Anna and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also in the comments let me know what you guys would like to watch on my channel. Bye!